Good evening, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the VCON of Traffic Conference Global Indicator. My name is Berliana Haloho as the host. Let me to introduce to you our presenter today. Her name is Rocky Effendi as first presenter, and the second is Vira Yuliani, and our moderator Della Adelia. Before we start our VCON today, let me explain the rules during this meeting. 1. Every participant should mute their mic during the presentation. 2. If you have any question related to the presentation, you may deliver your question on Q&A session. 3. Please mention your name and institution before deliver. Without any further ado, I would like to give the chance to moderator to lead the meeting. Miss Moderator, time is yours.
Thank you for the chance given to me, Miss Anna. Respectable Miss Nuraini, Honorable Mr. Fahrial Saputra, Honorable Mr. Rocky Effendi, Honorable all participants, and invite guests, let us praise to God, the most gracious and merciful, the creator and sustainer of universe. Let us step on the following agenda: the presentation of TCNGI, which will be present by Mr. Rocky. To Mr. Rocky, your mic, take the mic.
Okay, thank you for moderator and thank you for Miss Berliana for the time to me. And now I will presentation, and my presentation is traffic conference and global indicator. Okay, let's go to screen one. Okay, next to screen 2. Okay, what the international or IATA? IATA is International Air Transport Association, is an international trade of airline size, and the International Air Transport Association is based in the Montreal, Canada. The International Air Transport Association also officiates in the delivery of dangerous goods and publishes guidelines on dangerous goods from the IATA. And the International Air Transport Association is an organization of airline company all over the world. And next to slide. Okay. And slide 3, IATA areas is divided into 3 areas better known as traffic conference or TC. The first point, TC1 cover the American continent from north to south, and North Atlantic, South Atlantic, Mid-Atlantic, and the Caribbean islands. And the second point, TC2 covered the 2 continents are Europa and Africa. Europa, Central Africa, Eastern Africa, Southern Africa, Western Africa, Indian Ocean Island, Libya, and Middle East. And the third point, TC3 covered the entire continent of Asia and Australia. And Southeast Asia, South Asian or Indian subcontinents, Southwest Pacific, Japan or Korea. And next to the slide. Okay, slide 4. Global indicator or GI are the course of travel also to determine the type of rate used. Here is a global kind of indicator in the world. The one AT or Asian Atlantic. That was a journey across the Atlantic. And the two AP or Asian Atlantic, Asian Pacific journey across the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. And the 3PI, it's a trip through PC3 to PC1, not cross the Atlantic. And 4PM was a voyage of the Pacific Ocean through North America. And 5 SI, South Atlantic. TC3 Southeast Asia to TC1 South Atlantic or Argentina. And 6 WH Western Hemisphere was just a TC1 trip around. And the 7 AH or Eastern Hemisphere was just TC1 and TC3. And 8 FA west of the Aral Mountain was halfway from TC3 to Russia, except Japkor. And 9 RU is a journey from Japkor to Russia. And the last, the TS or Trans-Siberia. It is a trip through Japkor. And next to slide, last slide. And to Indonesian use will our country Indonesia use the 7 global indicator, namely EHA or Eastern Hemisphere. And this my presentation from the about explain to traffic conference and global indicator. And thank you for me to the attention, and I'm back to moderator. Thank you.
What
Okay.
what an enlightening speech from Mr. Rocky. Thank you. I cordially invite all the audience to here to deliver any question you may have related to the presentation, please.
Okay, moderator. But from the question, we are now the next to presentation 2. And presentation 2 is presenter Vira Yulani, and I is as moderator. And from Vira Yulani, you can presentation now. Next to presentation 2. And to the question, we are go to question. Okay, this is the presentation 2 to Vira Yulani. This time now.
Thank you for the opportunity. Let's just start the presentation on with the title of Business Building Strategy. Della Adelia as second presenter, Rocky Effendi as moderator, and Vira Yuliani, I myself as presenter. Definition of business. Business is an activity or endeavor. Business in a broad sense is a general term that describes all activity and institution that produce goods and services in everyday life. In the sense that each industry is formed from many companies consisting of various sizes of companies with a variety of products, including marketing activity, research, financial arrangements, and management system. Business is the mutually beneficial exchange of goods, service, or money. Next slide. Number 1, starting for simple things. Number 2, product differentiation. Number 3, promotion. Number 4, don't spend money on the interior. Number 5, give a payment option. Number 6, business management. Number 7, pay attention to quality. Number 8, get to know the target market. Number 9, creativity and innovation. And number 10, take advantage of technology. I'm so sorry that the writing is not in English, but I will explain the form in English. Part 1, rice farming business, turn into a business, turn it into a rice milling business, but turn in business, transport, turn in a traders and customer. Part 2, plantation business, turn into a business, turn into agriculture business, turn into a business, and turn into traders. Part 3, meaning business, turn into a business, retail business, turn into a business, and less industry. From the development of the times will slowly change people is business. Next slide. Type of business type, extractive business, agriculture business, industrial business, and service business. Next slide. Type of business based on usability. Number 1, use of the from or from utility. Business that try to change an object into another object with a different shape so that it can be more useful from humans. Number 2, usefulness of the pledge or pledge utility. Business that move something from one pledge to another which is more useful or engaged in transportation, be it human transportation, freight transportation, land, sea, and air. Number 3, use of time or time utility. Business that run a strong business with the aim that when the goods are less useful, they are stored first. From example, bullock warehousing in ports. Number 4, possession utility. Business that run their business to create or fulfill use of ownership of a good or service, for example, shop and trade. Thank you so much for my presentation. Then my team, Della Adelia, will continue from slide 7 to 10.
Next. Manufacturing of business. 1. Management. 2. Marketing. 3. Finance. 4. Accounting. 5. Information system. Business benefit. 1. Time management free. 2. Become the boss. 3. Receive recognition or appreciation. 4. Pay yourself. 5. A better future. Business purpose. 1. Profit or profit. 2. Procurement of good or service. 3. Welfare of the owner of the factor of production and society. 4. Full job. 5. The company existence in the long term. 6. Progress or growth. 7. Prestige and assessment. The objective to be achieved by the business actor include 1. To meet various needs. 2. To prosper the family. 3. Want his name to be known by many people. 4. Because he wants to be a successor to the family business. 5. Want to try new things. 6. Want to take advantage of free time. 7. Want to have your own business and not work for other people. 8. Want to get sympathy. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the speech from Ms. Wirayolani as presenter and Ms. Della Adelia as presenter. And I cordially invite all the audience here to deliver any question you may have relates to the presentation. Please maybe have a question for the presentation 1 and presentation 2. You can give your vision now to the audience. To material traffic conference and business building strategy. We have two vision. You can give your vision for moderator. Okay, everybody, maybe not have a question, and I think you understand for the presentation 1 and presentation 2. And now I would like to give the chance to the presenter to answer this question. And thank you. Thank you for the attention, excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. We now have come to the end of this meeting. But before we close this meeting, I would like once again, on behalf of moderator and community, extend my deep appreciation for your support and participation. And I hope you are enlightened by this meeting. And thank you very much and good evening. I will back to host Miss Berliana. Thank you.
Before Before we end this meeting, I would like to remind Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, to fill the attendance through the link given in the chat column. Okay, if you have filed the attendance list, you may leave the room. Thank you. Good evening.